In the name of the Father, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, thank you for this day. Please always bless Magnus and everyone. We thank you for giving us good health and keeping us safe always. Everything that we do is for your glory. Amen. In the name of the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Amen. Thank you so much, Kuya Kendrick. Alright. Tayo lang po tayo and once again, we'll sing a happy birthday song naman for Magnus. Okay, sabay na lang po natin yung ating music. Kantahan lang po natin si Magnus ng happy birthday. Ready, sing! Go! Happy birthday to you! Louder! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Good! Happy birthday to you! Alright, one more time yung music ng kasama. Magpalakpak na sa lakas! Happy birthday! Go! Happy birthday! One more time yung mas masaya! Happy birthday! There we go. Then everybody shout happy birthday, Magnus. Go! And big hands for Magnus! Yeah! Thank you so much! Pwede na po tayo mga mommies and dads ko. Kids, this is up. Thank you very much. And syempre, dahil nandito na rin si mommy and daddy, short or opening short message lang po ano masasabi niyo po sa mga bisita na nagpunta. Okay, palakpakan natin si Daddy! Yes!
Hello and hi to everyone. Thank you po sa pagpunta. Sana ma-enjoy natin yung araw na ito. Saka, yun, happy birthday kay Magnus. Yun, sana ma-enjoy mo itong araw na ito. Thank you.
Yes, palakpakan for Daddy! Ayan, si Mommy. Mamaya, meron din siyang message for everyone. Pero later po yun. Once again, palakpakan natin si Mommy and Daddy kasama si Magnus! Ayan, thank you so much! Pero later pa yun. Dahil ngayon, it's time for parlor game. Sino na yung gusto magkaroon ng prize? Raise your hand. Ayan. So, kailangan nyo lang sumali sa mga games ha, dahil marami kaming prizes here na ipamimigay para sa inyo guys. So, meron tayong pang boy, meron tayong pang girl, at meron din tayong pang adult prize. Yan. So, lahat ng mananalo ay magkakaroon ng prize. Pero before tayo mag-start ng ating first game, babati muna ko ng isang magandang afternoon to all the mommies and daddies here and to all the kids na makakaluluko today. And welcome tayo sa Magnus birthday party or sa ating 7th birthday po. So tama, 7th birthday ng Magnus. Welcome po tayo, palakpakan! Yes! Okay, and by the way, my name is Kuya Dennis, ang inyong host and magician today, and we came from Dulce Alegria Cakes and Events. Yes. Alright, so simulan na natin yung ating first game. So dahil maraming kids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sige, kailangan ko lang muna dito ng isang volunteer. Sino kayo? Tawag sa atin. Uy, palakpakan natin. Bilis magtaas ang kamay, ha? Okay. Very good. Perfect. Okay. How about you? Anong pangalan mo? Summer. Ilang taon na si Summer? 8 years old. Anong grade ka na sa school? Grade 3. Sa school, anong favorite mong subject? Is it Filipino, English, Math, Science, or what? English. Palakpakan naman natin. Very good. Ayan. Sige, dahil matalino ka sa English, so madali lang naman yung ating first game. Ito yung game na hindi pwedeng tanggalin sa mga kiddie party kagaya nito. Alright? Yung ating first game is what we called a longest greeting game or pahabaan ng pagbate. Babatiin mo si Magnus pero kailangan mahaba. Like this. For example, listen to me. Sasabihin mo, Happy birthday, Magnus! Kung sino yung pinakamahaba sa mga kids na magta-try, yun ang magiging winner. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so bibilang yung mga kids na nandito. Okay, sige nga, count tayo ng 1 hanggang 5. Go! 1, 2, ready, count, sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, so are you ready? Lakasan mo, kailangan dire-diretso, bawal yung napuputol. Kailangan happy birthday, Magus. Okay, kinakabahan ka ba? Hindi naman, hindi naman. Okay, good luck. And ready, get set, go. Palakpakan muna natin siya. Yes, medyo kinakabahan pa ng kaunti. Paano naman na yung loob? Sige, another one. Ready, get set, go.
Happy birthday, Magnus!
22 points! Cheer! Ayan. Sit down ka muna. So, 22 points, yung pinakamataas. How about you, Ron? Here. Okay, sige. 22 points yung pinakamataas. So, dalawa yung magiging winners dito, ha. Isa sa boys, isa sa girl. Kung sino pinakamataas sa mga sumali sa boys, yun ang mananalo. Kung sino pinakamataas sa score sa mga girls na sumali, yun ang mananalo. Kaya both group merong winner. Alright. Anong pangalan mo?
Sayan.
Oh, ilang taong ka na? How old are you?
1.
1 year old. You're 1 year old.
6.
Yun, 6 years old. Nagkamali lang ng konti. Okay, 1 plus 5. 6. Okay. So you're going to say happy birthday, Magnus. For example, happy birthday, Magnus. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Yes. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay, ready? Get set and go.
Happy birthday, Magnus!
Isa pa. Two. Another one. Happy birthday, Magnus. Okay, ready? Ready? Go.
Happy birthday, Magnus!
6 points. Palakpakan. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, see you pa. Who else? Ito na pangalan. Okay, later si Magnus pagka-try din natin, ha? Okay. Ano pangalan mo? What's your name? Matthew. How old are you, Matthew? 6 years old. Matthew, what is your favorite color? Color?
Blue.
Color blue. Wow. Okay. So, batiin mo lang din si Magnus. Ahabaan mo lang, ha? Ready ka na? You ready? Ready? Get set and grip.
Happy birthday, Magnus!
17 points. Palakpakan. Wow. Si Magnus naman lang here, Magnus. It's your turn. Okay? Okay, you're going to say happy birthday to me. Okay, are you ready, Magnus? Okay. Take it loud, huh? Ready? Get set, look at the camera. Okay? And ready? Get set and go.
Happy birthday to me!
Thank you! Wow! You get 11 points. Ang pinakamataas pa rin is 22 points. Sino ba gusto mag-join? How about you? Ikaw naman. Yan. Napapansin ko, ang daming bata, ha? Okay, meron dito, ha? Okay, how about yung mga nasa likod? Baka gusto mag-join yung ibang kids, baka merong kids sa likod, papuntahin na lang po natin dito sa unahan. Ikaw naman, anong pangalan? Anong pangalan mo?
Andre.
Ilan taon na si Andre? 8. Kalungin mo, sino ka 22? Ito, sino ka 22? Sa lalaki, sino pinakamataas? Si Kuya, 17 points. So, kailangan maka 18 up ka para may chance ka manalo. Okay? Ready ka na? Ready? Get set. Go.
Happy birthday, Magnus!
24 points! Wow! Diba? Paupo sa gilid, naka 24 pa, ha? Sige, sino pa gusto mag-join? Sino po? Ito naman si ate, come here, sali ka, join. Ito si Kuya, come here. Si Try, ayun, clap your Okay. Okay. So you say happy birthday, Magnus, in the longest way. Ready? Get set, go.
Happy birthday, Magnus!
21! Sayang, 1 point na lang. O sige, last one. Sino ba gusto mag-try? Ito po. Ito. Si baby. Yeah! I got her head! Ang daming points! Wow! Okay. What's your name? Okay, o dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. Stay ka lang here. Okay, you say happy birthday, Kuya Magnus. Okay? Ready? Go!
Happy birthday, Kuya Magnus.
1,
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points! Yeah! Oh, binati si Kuya Magnus. Nakakuha siya ng 5 points. Okay, so tawagin na natin ang ating winners. Sino pinakamataas sa girls? Ayun, si ate. Sa boy naman, ang pinakamataas si naka-22. Ito pinaka-22, no? Ayan, dito ka sa unahan. Kami here. Dahil dyan, congratulations kayong dalawa. Ang ating winners. Palakpakan naman natin. Yes! At dahil dyan, meron kayong prize. Meron kang prize for you and for you. Say happy birthday, Magnus.
happy birthday, Magnus. Happy birthday, Magnus.
Yes, palakpakan natin. Congratulations sa ating 2 winners. Okay, and for our next game, sino ba walang prize? Sige. Sige, for our next game is what we call a Name the Tune. Okay? So, meron akong ipi-play ng mga music about sa mga cartoons sa pinapanood nyo. Okay? Alright, so pag alam niyo yung title ng song, title ng cartoon movie, just raise your hand. Okay, and huwag isisigaw yung tamang sagot, ha? Okay, so for example, listen to our first song or first cartoon song. Music, please. Okay, what is the title of the song? Raise your hand. Sino kakaalam? Ayun! Ayun, check natin kami here. Okay. Okay, ready? Anong title niya?
Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean is correct. Palakpakan naman natin. Wow, at dahil dyan, ayan, meron kang prize na ma-receive. Okay. So, wala pa. Ayan na. Hoy! Okay.
Elsa?
What's the title?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star is wrong. How about you?
Elsa.
Elsa is?
Do you wanna build?
Elsa is correct! Yes, winner! Okay. Alright. Say happy birthday to me. Ah, di ba? Second or third song, music. Ay! What's the title?
Encanto.
Encanto is correct! Wow! Galing naman. Perfect. Say happy birthday, Magnus.
Happy birthday, Magnus.
Okay, congratulations. Next music or next song. Music. What? What's the title? What's the title? Twinkle, twinkle, little star?
Yes.
Yes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star is wrong. How about you? What's the title of the song?
Monsters Inc. Monsters Inc.
Tama? What Monsters Inc? Monsters Inc? Tama? You're correct! Yes! Okay. Okay, congratulations. You have a prize. Say happy birthday, Magnus.
Birthday, Magnus.
With your brother. Oh, you have prizes! Yes! Okay, next song. For our next song, music list. Hello, check. Ayan. Okay, so alam niyo na ba yung mga number nyo? Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yung ating game... Ay, okay, thanks you. Ang ating pong adult game, ay tatawagin po natin Garter Relay. So, meron akong dalawang Garter. Ito po yung para sa boys, at ito po yung para sa girls. So, ganito lang po yan, ha? Madali lang naman po ito. Kapag sinabi mong ready, get, set, go, yung number 1 po, tatakbo dito. Kukunin lang po yung garter, tapos isusunod lang po sa ulo, tapos lalabas na po sa paa. Okay, ready? para kayo ay manalo. Yung pagdadala ko, kadalasan nasa bag, nasa wallet, or nasa bulsa lang. Okay, ready? Yes! Hep, hep! Okay, first item, first thing to bring. Kuya Dennis, bring me a or unang mabilis na makapagdadala dito sa unahan ng any kind of king or susi. Go! Susi! Isa lang ha, isa lang. Susi, go! Team Pastor! Pastor, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yun, okay. Thank you. Congratulations, okay na po. Kailangan na next. Next winner. Next new. Ibig sabihin bago ha. Next new winner. Okay? Another new winner. Sino ang unang bata na mabilis sa mga pagdadala dito na non-pro or professional driver's license? Lisensya. Go! Ayun! Yes! Congratulations! Yo! Okay na po, sir. Sige po. Ito po yung prize mo, ha? Ayan. Bilis, ha? Ang quiz mo muna na lisensya, ha? Ready si, sir. Okay, last one. Ito, hirapan natin ang konti para may challenge, okay? Last one. Sino ang unang bata na mabilis na makapagdadala dito sa akin na kahit anong uri ng resibo? Go! Ayan, kahit anong resibo. Ayan, sige. Go! Okay, wala ko lang siya. Ang bilis. Okay. Okay, maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman namin ang mga nanalo. Yay! Okay. Congratulations doon sa mga hindi nanalo. Don't worry ha, kasi mamaya meron pa tayong ibibigay ng mga giveaways para sa inyo lahat kids. So huwag kayong mag-alala dahil marami pang mangyayari later. Meron pa tayong magic show, meron tayong magic for science. Ayan, so mamaya mapanood natin yung entertainer na makikita natin. Pero ngayon, it's time muna for tadtara ulit siya. It's time muna for eating time or break time. So before pumila, siguro sa buffet, it's time for group picture muna dito sa unahan kasama si Daddy and Mommy. Ako'y huwag naman yung gagayahin sa bahay niyo. So sit down, relax na tayo, enjoy the magic show. Isang malakas muna na palakpakan for me. Clap your hands, kids! Music, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I get your attention, please? Start. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Yes. Okay, kids. Okay, thank you so much. That is may magic. Pero now, kids, meron pa tayong second performer. Is it magic ulit to? Pero the scientist magic. Alright, so wala na tayo ha. Relax na lang tayo. Once again, a big hands for Danny, scientist!
We call all of the kids to join us here in
Yes, in
front.
front!
These experiments are especially for you know kids. Who here likes science? Raise your hands if you like science. Wow!
Oh, madami!
Who here likes magic? Who likes both? Perfect, because that's what we brought.
Yes.
Okay, so before we start, we'd like to introduce ourselves. I am Professor Proton.
And I'm Professor Flash.
And we are from Nazi Scientist
Philippines.
Okay, now, are you ready?
And with no energy.
Walang energy. Let's try that again. Kids, are you
Are you
ready?
ready? Oh, hey, Professor! Ready na sila.
Perfect. Okay, so that we can start with our experiments, okay? You just have to say the magic
Magic
words. Now, sino ba yung nag-birthday ngayon? Do you know whose birthday it is today?
Sino?
Yes, yes. Magnus! Okay, so in a count of 3, you should say happy birthday, Magnus. Okay? Ready? Ready? People in the back, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, and...
Very good. Grabe, Professor. Ang taas niya. So, Professor,
Energy. Okay, so let's start.
let's start, Professor.
Start na tayo. Okay, so Professor, for this experiment, we need someone very strong.
It's very strong.
Okay.
Who's strong?
Everyone show us your muscles.
Show us your muscles.
The one with the biggest muscles gets luminous. Show us your muscles.
Professor, may nakita.
Oh, may nakita
Our celebrant.
Our celebrant.
Okay.
Yes, Magnus. Now, what you're going to do, Iho, okay, so, what you're going to do is you're going to step your foot like this. Go. Okay. And you are going to pump that, okay, pull it all the way up,
Up.
and push it all the way down.
Down.
Okay, can you do that 10 times? 10 times, okay.
Yep.
Okay, alalay lang dito.
Okay, Professor.
Okay, now, kids, what do we have here?
What's that? It's a bottle.
So let's add something, okay? Whoop. Now, kids, what if I tell you, just using this, we can summon the clouds? Oh, uy, yung mukha nila. Okay, we can actually do that, kids. We are great scientists, okay? So,
Okay, Professor. Ano pakikita namin niyo, Professor? A cloud? Okay, everybody, please count up to 10, okay? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Three more.
11, 12, 13. Two more.
Two more.
Okay. Eyes at the bottom.
Ice in the bottle.
3, 2, 1, and...
Wow.
Okay, so like Professor said, that was vaporization,
Vaporization.
right? We added liquid, and while adding pressure, we forced that liquid to vaporize. Okay, the Professor has something for you. Professor, what's that?
Everybody, I have a friend. Can you see him?
Can you see him?
He's
Here.
here.
What's his name, Professor? May pangalan ba siya?
Well, actually, his name is Octoboy.
Octoboy!
Yes.
No, everybody say hi, Octoboy! Okay, now what does he do? Ano ginagawa niya?
Ngayon, Professor, kaya niyang bumaba dito by using our words.
Words na?
The words na, Professor.
Words na. He will go down?
Yes, just say, Octoboy, please go down.
Oh. Oh. Hit. Bumaba siya. Oh. Bumaba
Okay, now say,
siya.
Octoboy, please go up. Wow.
Wow! Galing ni Octoboy! Make him go down and up.
Okay.
Okay, kids, louder this time, louder. Okay, everybody say, Octoboy, please go down! Oh, bumaba siya! Okay, everybody say, Octoboy, please go up! Wow! Professor, do you have something na matry ng kids?
Yes, do you want to try it?
You wanna try
You wanna
it?
try it?
Okay,
Okay.
how many volunteers? Okay.
See, Professor.
3. Okay, let's have the birthday boy try this. Birthday brother Maxton, do you wanna try
Hold it
it?
like this.
And you, yes, you.
Hold it like
Ayun! Okay, oh, here. Make him, yeah, the wide one. Okay, and this one's yours, and this one's yours. Okay, now Professor, sa'yo yung malaki.
Okay.
Maxton, you stay here. Oh, very good.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Professor.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's say, Octoboy, please go down.
Oh, Professor naman, sa'yo lang yung bumababa.
Wait.
Let's try that again. Okay, bottles forward.
Bottles forward.
Bottles forward. Okay. Now, kids, apat na sila. Apat na Octoboy na. They have to hear you, so you have to say it louder.
Say it
okay?
louder.
Louder. Okay, 3, 2, 1, say. Octoboy, please go down. Oh! See, sa kanya lang yung bumababa. Okay, they haven't heard. Okay, kids, do not shake. No cheating. Yes, no cheating. So
No
you
cheating.
just have
Okay.
ang cute ni Maxton. Okay, so, no shaking. Do not flip it.
Do not flip it.
Okay, so, we need the help of the young at hearts. Kailangan natin ng tulong nyo, okay?
Okay.
Kasi, we have to say it louder para marinig na Octoboys. Okay, so, in the count of 3, please say, Octoboy, please go down! Uy, hindi sumasama yung young at hearts. Sir, ma'am, tulungan niyo po yung mga bata. Okay, everybody say, please go down! Ato, ayun si Maxton, no? Seryoso na, nanineryoso na si Maxton.
Wait, Professor, may nakalimutan pala ako.
May nakalimutan
Yes.
ako dyan.
We will squish it.
May secret pala dito.
Oh, yes, Professor.
Professor at the mouse.
I'm sorry, nakalimutan
Okay,
ako,
so
Professor.
everybody, okay, bottles forward, kids, bottles forward, and okay, follow Professor, both hands on the middle of the bottle, and squeeze, squeeze. Very good. Okay.
Realize it. Whoa. Okay, you guys can try it. Squish it. Whoa. Oh, do not shake the bottle. Okay, so Professor. Okay, have you tried it? Whoa.
Oh.
So, Professor.
Okay, you can actually take that to mommy and daddy para makita nila.
Okay.
Okay, pero don't bring it home.
Do not shake it, okay?
Okay, so pwede yung
Give it to
virtual.
mommy.
Pwede yung virtual. Ever.
So when we release the bottle, nirelease din natin, it now flows. Dahil nag-decrease na yung pressure. Tinuturo lang ni Max. So cute. Okay. So do you want more, kids? Do you want more? Do you want more experiment? Professor, show us another experiment.
What do we have here? A bottle. What's on top? What's on top? A ping pong ball. Okay. Now, what if I tell you kids, I will flip this bottle without the ping pong ball ball? Yes. Defy gravity. Do you want to see it? Ready? In a count of three. In three, two, one, and what? One more time. In three, two, one, and it's not falling. Who wants to try?
Let's try.
Who wants to become a great scientist like us? Okay, you want to try? Okay, Max. Okay, let's give chance to our birthday boy muna. And one, hindi pa nakakapag-try. Yes, you. Yes, you, okay? Let's give, up. Okay, sige. Okay. Lumami sila. Wait lang. Okay, kids, don't worry if you are not cold. Marami pa tayo experiments, okay? Just go back to your seats. Iho, please go back to your seats. Kids, don't worry if hindi kayo matatawag. We still have a lot of experiments. Makakapag-try talaga kayo lahat, okay? Sige, okay. We still have other experiments on, so you will be called later, okay? Matatawag na talaga.
Okay, Professor, magka-try na rin siya, no? Magka-try na rin siya.
Professor, Maxon, ano kasi?
Okay.
Pakialala. Okay, we are using glass bottles kasi, okay? So kids, be careful, we are using glass bottles, so hold your bottles properly. Okay, baka tayo nagsistart. Uhulog na. Again.
Okay.
Let's try that again. Sige.
Okay, let's try.
Okay, Maxon.
Nasabayan ko sila, Professor.
You stay with me, okay? You watch Kuya, okay?
Okay.
In
3, 2, 1, flip the bottle!
Flip the bottle!
Huh?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Sige. You still want to be a scientist? Gusto niyo pa? Okay, sige. One more time. Mahirap yung training para maging scientist.
Okay.
Sige. One more time.
In 3, 2, 1.
And... Oh! Nahulog pa na, Professor.
Nahulog pa rin. Ay, wait.
What's wrong?
Professor, mali na nabigay kong bottle.
Kaya pala na.
Mali na nabigay kong bottle.
Okay. Up. Wala. May nakita ka?
What's that?
May nakita
Is
siya.
this something?
May something, no? Okay.
What is it? It's water.
So yan pala yung sekreto mo, Professor.
Okay.
Water. Okay. Maxton.
Let's do it together.
Okay, kids, wait a minute, okay? Please stay seated. Merong water daw sa loob ng bottle, okay? So, kids, once you flip it, do not touch the ping-pong ball.
Yes.
Okay? Do not do this. Okay? Or do not remove the ping-pong ball, okay?
Okay.
Just flip it. Okay? Okay, Magnus? Okay? Okay. 3.
2.
Pa-ready na lang po yung map, please.
Yeah, Professor, kaya namin to. Kaya ng science ni Professor. In 3, 2, 1.
What? In 3, 2, 1, and flip!
Okay, flip it again.
Flip, Professor Assistant! Okay, kamuting ako makakatak doon. Woo! Professor!
Okay.
Okay, one more time.
One more time. Okay, we're gonna flip the bottle. In 3, 2, 1.
Professor, please, pakibigay na or tatak ko dito para ano. Nakabat.
There you go.
And
Do not flip it.
flip.
Okay, flip it again. Okay. Walang naligo, Professor. Walang naligo.
Yung or tatak ko, Professor, malala.
Okay.
Compliments to our very brave volunteers. Ang gagaling, meron na tayong future scientist.
Well, actually, Professor, what happened there is
Yes.
water inside, di ba?
Yes.
That's aggregation, Professor. So, the water molecules stick
with our ping pong bottle.
Oh, that's why it doesn't.
Or both.
Oh, grabe, no? Science plus magic. Okay. May prepare ka ba? Na-stress ka doon?
Professor, hindi sila naligo. Parang ako maliligo, Professor, sa next experiment natin.
Oh, this time maliligo na talaga.
Yes, Professor.
Okay. So, kids, what do we have here?
What do we have here? It's a water in a
It's
bucket.
water. Anong gagawin mo dyan, Professor?
I-spin ko to, Professor.
Spin?
Yes, very, very fast.
What do you think will happen to the water if Professor spins the bucket?
Yes, what will happen?
It was fast.
Yeah, it will
It will
splash.
spill. Who says the water will spill? Raise your hand. Who says it will not spill? Uy, naniniwala sa iyo yung birthday boy. Galingan mo
Ano yung
yan.
mga sinasabi, Professor? Okay. Professor, usag ako konti, Professor.
Sir Dennis, careful po kayo. Baka sa iyo po na matasig.
Okay, I'll do it. In 3, 2, 1. Where's the water?
Music on. Okay, one more. You guys na now.
Where's the myself? Kaya mo yan, Professor. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Professor. Kaya yan, Professor. You wanna try it?
Clap your hands to Professor.
Wait, Professor. This time, Professor, yung ating mga young hearts yung magta-try.
Mommy and Daddy.
Okay, Professor.
Mommy Camille, you wanna... Daddy Ian.
Daddy, okay. Let's clap our hands for them.
Daddy. Professor, nagkalat ka. Ala!
Hey, Professor. I think yan yung ininom ko kanina, Professor.
Mami, siya po yung magkalumas ng plato, hindi po ako. Okay, sige po. I think may map naman. So, doon na lang sa side. Doon na lang sa
Okay.
side. Sir, please join us dito po, okay? Pag nabasa si Daddy, ikaw talaga oh, Professor! Ano ba
Marami yatang tubig, Professor.
Okay. So, as you can see, sir, dapat balance po siya. Dito po kayo ang hawak. Okay. Opo, para hindi po siya lumipad, huwag niyo po ng konti. Yan.
Ayan.
Yan. Okay.
Spin it very fast.
Spin it fast, sir. Ah!
Professor, gusto ko tumayo, Professor. Gusto ko na maligo.
Okay. In 3,
2,
2,
1, go! Whoa!
Wow! Clap your hands to Daddy Pian!
Grabe, Professor.
Parang hindi niyo first na try. Sure ba kayo, sir?
Scientist ata siya.
May sayaw?
May saya dati. May saya. Music po.
May music ka?
May music, may music. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, sir, sino po yung isa pa na volunteer na walang
Isa pa po?
choice? Walang choice. Walang choice na pipiliin.
Napipiliin niyo po. Si Mami daw. Si Mami.
Yung mukha ni Mami Camille. Thank you so much, Daddy Ian. Mami Camille. Ma'am Chris, can we request map po? Medyo basa siya ng konti.
Medyo sumaya ako ng sobra, Professor.
Oh, Max, Todd, Magnus, dito muna tayo. Dito. Okay, we will support Mommy from here. Oh, okay, sige, sige. Dito po. Hawak nyo. Spin nyo po. Okay.
Okay.
Mabilis. In 3,
3, 2, 1,
and...
spin! Whoa!
Thank you so much, Mommy Camille.
Grabe, Professor. Air po po.
Nag-tiktok na ako. Thank you so much to our birthday family. Very sports, no? Okay.
How about our kids, Professor? Our little scientists.
Okay, for the kids, let's have the
The ba-
ping pong balls.
ping pong ball na lang.
Nakita naman natin, nagkaroon na eh.
Okay, Professor.
So let's have the kids try the ping pong balls. Okay, that side, kids, that side. Photographer, okay lang po ba dito na shot? Okay lang? Okay, sige. That
Careful.
side. Okay, please form a line. Please form a
Form a
line.
line here.
Try nitong lahat. Okay, form a line, one at a time. Professor, please assist them. I will ask for a mop.
In 3, 2, 1, spin it! Wow! Oops!
Oh, see, as you can see,
Okay, next.
kailangan talaga ping-pong ball. Next.
Okay, you can try it. Okay.
Once
Just
you
spin
are
it very
done,
fast.
go back to
Okay.
your seats.
Wow, grabe, Professor! Ang bilis nito!
Okay, clap your hands. Very good. Next job.
Okay. Okay, Professor, hindi na siya alis dito.
Hanggang bukas.
Okay.
Wow! Perfect!
Okay, next. Okay, spin it very fast. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can go back to your seat.
One more. Wow!
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Next, our
Next,
celebrant.
birthday boy.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, spin it.
Bukas pa siya
Bukas na siya matatapos, Professor.
Wow!
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Clap your hands to our birthday boy. Okay. Next. Congratulations. Next.
Okay, spin it very fast. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Grabe, Professor.
Stop.
Wow.
Congratulations. Next, we have one more next. Oy, go kuya. You can do it. Sige, please face the camera. Please face the camera.
Wait, in 3, 2, 1, spin it.
Spin. Okay. Clap your hands to kuya. Very good. Very good.
Okay, our last little son is Professor.
Nasaan na yung isa?
So is a Professor.
Ay,
Oh, there you go. Thank you.
one more.
Okay, one more. 3, 2, 1, spin it. Uy, grabe, naglalakad pa, Professor. Oh, huwag mong iuwi, ha?
Grabe si kuya. Sa lahat ng shows ko, first time siya.
Grabe, Professor. Kaya pala siya yung last Professor.
Oo. Save the best for the last. Pwede ba? Apo. Save the best for the last talaga si kuya. No, grabe yung energy.
Well, actually, there's a science behind that, Professor.
Okay, what's happening?
There's a force. It's called the centripetal force, where it acts on an object to move in a circular path.
Okay, kaya
Kaya hindi nahuhulog, Professor, yung tubig and yung ating ping-pong balls.
as long as you maintain the speed and your art. Okay, now kids, are you still with us?
Do you want more? Okay, Professor, gusto pa nila.
Ay, dagdagan ko na yung energy ng kids ah.
Kaya, Professor, eh.
Okay, now kids, how about this time, we make the water disappear. What? Okay, are you going to help us? Okay.
You're going to help us?
Sino yung hindi naligo before going in?
Napakawat na siya, Professor.
Sabi niya, ang bilis na daw ng hand. Okay, now, who wants to help us with this one?
Who wants to help us?
Yung hindi nakapabasa, tapos hindi pa natatawag.
Okay, stay. Stay
Okay,
seated.
okay, siya, parang
Okay, siya
hindi
muna.
pa siya natatawag before. Okay, and, again? Okay, sige.
Okay, later we will
will
call you.
Okay, later, kuya. Okay? We will have ate first.
Okay.
Professor. Mami, parang nanonood si Mami tsaka si Daddy. Mami, pag nabasa ko si Professor Flash po ha.
Bakit ako, Professor? Okay,
Hindi, ikaw yung nagbubuhos eh. Okay,
Okay.
so kids, as you can see, we have water.
there's a
right?
water inside.
Okay. Kuhanan mo muna ng konti, Professor. Kuhanan mo ng konti.
Okay, bukasan natin ng konti. Sobrang dami pa.
Okay. Tapos, lagyan natin ng color.
Okay.
Okay. Since favorite color ni Magnus yung blue.
Color blue. Okay? Okay, thank you, Professor.
Okay, so let's make the water. Ay, is your favorite color yellow? Sorry po. Sorry po. Okay.
It's okay,
so,
Professor.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
Let's pour
add some water. More?
More. More.
You want more?
Should we pour more?
Should I add more? Oh, yes, now, Professor.
More?
More? Look here.
Okay.
Look at the front.
Yes. Lalagyan naman ni Professor ng towel. Okay. Kids,
Okay.
you think we made it disappear? Ano natin? Mas malawak.
Malawak po, Professor.
Para wala siyang makita.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Kids, do you think we made it disappear? Okay.
Yes, now, Professor.
In 3,
3, 2, 1. Naku, Professor, you didn't disappear.
Ah, wala siya. Hindi siya nabasa. Okay, Mami, hindi po siya nabasa. Clap your hands for our brave volunteer! Thank you so much. Hindi naman siya nabasa, no?
How about Professor? Another one.
Mami, makaabangan mo kami mamaya. Okay. Kuya, baka madamage yung hair mo. Share ka pa naman.
I like this hair, Professor.
Spike na spike yung hair niya. Okay, sige. Hindi na lang natin gamitan ng towel to.
Okay, okay.
Ha? Huwag na natin gamitan ng towel.
Okay.
Joke lang. Joke lang. Joke lang, Mami, Daddy. Okay, sige. Let's
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, ready na siya, Professor.
Professor, ilagay mo lahat. Lahat. Mami, no, lahat. Lahat yung ilalagay. Just joking, Mami.
Okay, Professor, I think that's enough.
That's enough.
That's enough.
That's enough. Okay. Sige.
Okay.
I think I'm going to need your help, okay? Arms forward. Arms forward, everyone. Okay? And let's say a magic word. Everybody say, Shazam! I don't need no. Let's try that again.
Help us, help
Everybody
us.
say, Shazam! Okay. I think nawala na yung tubig.
Okay.
Sige, sige. In 3,
2, 1. Hindi pa rin nag-disappear,
Oh,
Professor.
hindi siya nabasa. Mami, hindi po siya nabasa. Woo! Clap your hands for our brave volunteer. Okay, how many cups? Oh, we only have one cup. Okay.
Teka lang, Professor.
Uh,
I think kailangan natin yung
yeah.
celebrate.
Oo, kasi parang gusto din niya tayo tulungan. Sige.
Isa.
Si Daddy nag...
May extra t-shirt po ba tayo?
Okay, parang safety net to. Diyan na lang yan. Pag ganyan, pag ganyan.
Okay, pag
Yan,
ganyan.
o, di ba? He's so cool. Ash! Ash! Okay, so cool. Okay, Professor. Palagay ng ng towel, ng towel.
Okay, Professor.
Nanonood si Daddy, lagot ka. Daddy ha, si Professor Flash po ha. Hindi po ako.
Professor naman. Okay.
Siya po yung maghugas ng plato. Ganun. Okay.
Okay. We'll add now some water.
Okay, okay na yun. Add more. Mommy, add more. Add more.
More. Pa now, Professor.
More.
Okay.
Wait! Uy, ang dami na. Okay, nasa po yun. Ako yung nate-text.
Okay.
Professor, pag nabasa yung birthday boy, lagot ka.
Okay, Professor.
Okay,
I believe in science, Professor.
I think kailangan natin ng magic, chat na talaga this time. Chat.
Okay.
Everybody, arms forward, kids. Arms forward, okay? Now, as loud as you can, repeat after me. Everybody say, Alakazam! Alakazam! Make this water disappear! Okay, sige. Do you think the water is gone na? Do you think it's gone? See, ala, hindi na siya nagsasalita. Natatakot
Sige
na siya.
na pa, Professor.
Natatakot na siya.
Nag-prepare pa siya dito.
Sige. Woo! Nakalagay.
In 3, 2, 1. Gusto water.
Tumahimik.
Nawala rin yung tao, Professor.
Pati yung mga young parts. Asan yung...
Again, Professor, again.
Asan yung tubig? Lagyan mo ng tubig.
Okay.
Lagyan mo ng
Okay, water.
Para masabi nilang hindi scam. Okay? Okay? Now everybody say, Alakazam! Okay, and... Where's the water? Asan yung tubig? Ininom nyo? It will... Oh, where's the water?
Where's the water?
Gone?
Gone?
Did you drink it? No.
Yes, sir.
Congrats, our brave volunteer! Ang brave ng birthday boy natin, hindi natakot. Now, kids, where's the water? Asan yung tubig? Doon. Okay, kids, what if I tell you it's inside this cup? Okay? We actually brought a creature. It's a creature.
Creature.
No.
It's a Pokemon, Professor.
Yeah, it's a Pokemon. Yeah, it's a Pokemon. You don't believe us? Okay. It absorbs water. Okay. No. Okay. You wanna see it? Okay. laboratory.
His laboratory.
Yes, and he also goes inside his laboratory. Okay.
Ayaw, Professor. Ayaw pumasok.
Eka, bakit hindi siya pumapasok? Ha?
Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya. Nagtatampo siya sa laboratory niya, Professor.
Okay. How do we get him in? How do we get him in? No squishing. He's our friend. What? Birthday boy, what should we do to get him in? Fight him? No, fight him!
Don't hit Edward! He's my friend!
No, do not push him in. Ay, violating yung mga kids. Okay.
Okay.
So, what should we do? What should we do? No eating.
Okay, Professor.
Natatakot sa kanya. Okay, what should we do, Professor?
We need 3 or 2.
What are you
Lead the
going to do?
scientist.
Magic or science?
Science, Professor.
Oh, let's use science. Okay. I think 2, Professor.
Okay,
2. Okay. Okay.
Okay, who wants to participate?
Okay. Now, since we are using science, we need someone very strong, yung hindi takot. Okay? And yung magaling mag-follow ng instructions. Okay. So, Magnus, can you join us? Okay. Okay. We need someone very big for this one, Professor, because we will be using
Fire. Okay.
We will be using fire.
Okay, so kids, be careful.
Okay. Maxon, please stay here with me. Kids, you stay seated muna. Okay, you stay seated. Okay, and just watch. Okay.
You hold this.
Now, what you're going to do is you're going to hold Edward, okay? Like this. Very good. Okay, now Kuya, you will stay here. And Professor, you will hold that. Okay. Maxton. Okay, kids. We would like to have the kids please stay seated,
Yes.
kids. We will be using fire, okay? We don't want any accidents. We just have to have fun, okay?
And please do not
So,
try this at
Professor,
home, okay?
Okay, now, Kuya, you will stay here para ma-assist kita. Now, kids, this experiment is very fast. So, do not blink, okay? Do not breathe. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. You can breathe.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Kuya, what you're going to hold is the cotton, okay? Yung gagawin mo is you're going to drop the cotton inside.
Inside.
Ha? If some of the cotton falls, do not touch it, okay? Just leave it be. Flamethrower. Flamethrower. Oh no. Okay, so Kuya. Okay, I will assist you with this one. Sige. We will tell you when to put the egg in, okay? We will tell you, wait for our instruction, ha? Manos, very good. Kids, eyes here, don't blink. This is very fast, okay?
Okay.
3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
Eyes on Edward. Where's Edward?
Where's Edward?
Where's inside? Clap your hands around, dears. Clap your hands.
Grabe, so nila, Professor.
Nakabase talaga yung birthday boy. Thank you so much.
Grabe,
Very
Professor.
brave. Hindi natakot sa fire.
And Professor, and that is science.
That is science.
Diba naglagay tayo ng apoy?
Yes.
And then when the fire dries out, it creates a vacuum effect.
Okay, that pushes our egg. And now, kids,
Inside.
do you still, na-miss niyo na si Edward? Na-miss niyo na siya? You want to get him out? You want to, raise your hand if you want to get him out. Whoa! Professor, do you know how to get him out?
Parang alam mo yan, Professor.
Okay, kids, you have to stay. To get him out, you have to stay seated and count
Okay,
from
stay seated.
1 to 3, okay? Now, everybody say, we miss you, Edward!
We miss you, Edward!
Okay, and in a count of 3.
3, 2, 1. Edward is out.
Wow!
Natin siya.
Na-speechless yung kids. Oh, cute. Okay, now since Maxton is here, Maxton, okay, you help us with our next experiment.
Yes, Professor. This time, nauwaw na ako,
Okay.
Professor.
Okay, now, akala ko bibitawan mo, Professor.
Okay, Professor.
Okay, now,
Okay, so what do we have here? It's a water. What's the color of the water? It's colorless, yes.
Okay, now we have another bottle here. What's the color?
What's the color?
Here, okay. Maxton, you add. You add. Okay?
Wait, what's happening?
Okay.
What? We had a colorless, another colorless. It turns to what?
Magnus, you join us here.
Okay, we
have
add another colorless.
Okay. Max, come on. Okay, that's enough. Just look, watch. Okay, Professor will go to you, okay? So that you can try, everyone can try. Professor, here, magic. Sir, maawa kayo kay Edward.
Professor, may ibang pumasok, Professor. Hindi na si Edward. Napasok natin si colorless. Well, actually, Professor, that is the...
This is science, okay?
This is science. When we try, we get some different result, Professor.
Yes, okay. So, kids, I think mahihirapan na tayo sa
Hindi kaya ni Professor, in vacuum effect yan.
Okay, magaling tayo scientist, pero hindi tayo magaling gumawa.
Okay, so, well, let me explain to you what happened here, Professor. So, before the start of the show, we add an indicator inside. So,
Wait
we
now,
add...
Professor. Let's seal it.
Okay, Professor. Can you do it, Professor?
Wow! Wait a minute.
Parang hindi natin kaya, Professor. Pero nag-turn na siya into another color, Professor.
Okay, kids, we tried. Okay, clap your hands to Professor, okay? Okay.
Okay, so I was saying kanina, so may indicator kami nilagay before the start of the show. So, yung una namin nilagay na colorless then is the base. Okay, example of base is yung toothbrush. And then we add another colorless na last, which is yung acid na minsan nakikita sa vinegar, Professor. So, Professor, this is an unexpected result na nakuha natin, Professor.
Okay. Sa lahat ng years ko, first time yan. Okay, now kids, are you still with us? Whoa, are you still with us? I can hear you. Yes! Okay, so for our last experiment, this one is actually our favorite, okay? Now, Professor, please show it to them. Okay, may we request all of the kids to join us here for our last experiment. This one is our favorite, okay? Now kids, what is that you feel? Ano yung nafe-feel nyo? Air! Okay, now, can you see the air? Can you see, are you sure you can see the air? No? Okay, well, you just stay standing there, just stay standing, okay? And look up, eyes up, everybody eyes up. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, and... Okay, now, kids, stand up, and stay here in front para maiwasan yung mga chairs. Okay, please stay here in front. Okay. Okay, don't go sa back. We have chairs then. Professor! Yay! Professor, dito lang. May chairs siya. May chairs. Dito lang. Ayan. Okay, Magnus, come on. Mommy is there. Magnus, Mommy is there. Alam mo na kung sino na-targeted. Okay, let's give chance to our birthday boy. Okay, Magnus.
3, blow. Palakpakan, 4. Ayan, yes, okay. At syempre, mga mommies and daddies, dahil nandito na si mommy and daddy, birthday wish naman for
Wish ko lang, ano lang, good health, tapos enjoy yung pagkabata. Be happy. Sana na-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Happy birthday, Marcos.
Sabi mo, okay na ba? Okay, so kids, pabibigay ni Daddy.
Thank you so much sa kahit malayo pa yung pinag-iingan nyo. So, yun. Thank you talaga kasi binigyan nyo ng oras yung birthday ni Marcos. At sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you.
Mga suppliers, thank you then for making this party possible. But beside this, Dulce, Unlimited, thank you.
Thank you. Once again, clap your hands for mommy and daddy. Thank you so much. Okay, everyone, all the kids, nakit kayo dito. Please follow yung line here. One straight line, dahil mabibigay si Daddy.